Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and make secure payments on Alibaba. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and go to alibaba.com. And once you've done that, what you want to do is simply go ahead and make a purchase first. So for example, let me just show you tube dresses, and let's say I want to get a trade assurance and verified supplier. So make sure that whenever purchasing, make sure that your supplier does have verified supplier and trade assurance filters. And once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and check some dresses. So for example, this looks very good, and if I want to go ahead and order this one, what I want to do is simply go ahead and click on chat now. I can simply go ahead and talk to them and order it through here. But what I want to make sure you do is that only pay from your Alibaba by linking your card. So for example, click on your account tab right over here, click on my Alibaba, go to payments, and here you can simply go ahead and add your card and simply just pay through Alibaba. Please don't pay from external accounts or external softwares. Just make sure you pay them and communicate fully on alibaba.com. In that case, whenever if there is any problems, you can simply contact Alibaba. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.